Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari reaction for another reaction video with me today. Hey guys, how you guys doing? So I'm back today guys with another reaction video to the group MONSTA X. And someone sent me this recommendation to MONSTA X. This is a TikTok challenge rematch with Cosmopolitan magazine. So hopefully this is the second try of doing this challenge. So this is my first time ever reacting to this one. So I guess later on I'm gonna react to the first one. But this is a TikTok challenge rematch by MONSTA X. You wait there.
We are doing the TikTok challenge because
oh, she better move. That was nice.
다음 멤버 제가 부르면 되나요? Next member. Next member. 근데 저 다음 멤버 냄새 안 나는데. 오케이. Back again.
This is my part, nobody else beat. This is my part, nobody else beat. This little light of mine. Glory be to God. Yeah.
한 번만. 짧다. Okay, let's go.
This is my part, nobody else beat. This is my part, nobody else beat. This little light of mine. Glory be to God.
Oh, he learns quick.
Not bad, not bad. Next dancer is Shanu. It's me.
I used to know how to dance, but that was back in the day. Now I'm old. Ariana Grande and Bazzi, Black Bear, Carnival makeup. Ham performance. Oh, he can't remember that. I couldn't even keep up with them 8 counts or whatever you want to call the counts. Cha, you guys make me want to go to TikTok, and that's a maybe. Oof. Come, oh, his skin looks amazing. Oh, what's his TikTok? Cause I need to know your skin routine, Cordell. Yes. I'm just gonna listen to that song. I'm not saying all Ariana Grande songs sound the same, but I need to go listen to that song. Sounds nice. Good to listen to. Oh God, I can't. It was bad.
Hey, come on.
You took one. Oh, I was wondering what that dance was. I was like, hit the what? That was nice. Oh, I like that get up. I like the all black. ahead, Gomez. She better show them curves. SZA? Who's that? Oh, that's The Weeknd's girlfriend or ex-girlfriend.
Okay, let's go. Okay.
SZA! Yay!
Okay. No, 샤노요.
Smack it in the air. Smack it in. Girl is that she was dancing hard.
저기부터 해야 돼. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Smack it in the air. Homegirl was dancing hard. She made sure she hitting every beat. Stop. Come through, sister. Smack. Whatever bit Hilton, Bilton, Hitton. Go ahead, sister. She was dancing hard. Just want to make sure she was a. Ooh, that looks so bad.
I was very funny, but a little bit embarrassing.
It was fun. It was fun. It was fun. It's very fun. 1, 2, 3. John, honey. Yeah. You win. That's one. Whoa, congrats. You. Thanks for watching our TikTok challenge, and look out for Love Killer music video. Thank you. Bye. Fun time.
As you guys can see, that was Monsta X back for the TikTok challenge rematch with Cosmopolitan. That was so cute to see the group. I love it. I love it. Oh, marketing at its finest. Oh, hope time has changed. I love it. That's so good, Monsta X. Hopefully this country will be open up in May so I could attend you guys VIP concert ticket, because I don't do back row seats. So hopefully they will open up in May so I could come there and see you guys with me and one of my closest friends, and hopefully a lucky subscriber that subscribes to my channel and follow me. I'm willing to buy them a VIP ticket as well to join me and my friend. So hopefully let's keep fingers crossed. Keep fingers crossed. As always, that was Monsta X. So thanks to the ones who recommend me to record this video. I really do appreciate it. Make sure I say the name right, Monsta X, because I want no one coming for me, because I will respond. However, for everybody else, whatever you want to react to, whatever you want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. I'll get to it as soon as possible. I'm saying that again. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.